Hi there, students. A cenacle. A cenacle. Okay, a cenacle is a dining room, particularly on the first floor. And I'm thinking that in the UK, lots of pubs, downstairs you have all the bars, and upstairs they have a cenacle. Now, traditionally, a cenacle is the room where the Last Supper with Jesus took place in the Christian Bible. But a cenacle, a dining room, a place where a closed group of people meet. And from that, or as an extension of that, we can use this word a cenacle to talk about a clique, a group of people, particularly a group of artists, or a group of painters, or something like that. So, a famous artist in the Middle Ages would have had a cenacle of pupils, a close group of pupils. So you would want to be in the cenacle of the master painter, or a literary group. I'm thinking of the Bloomsbury group. This is a group of authors who used to meet together to eat, or to have literary meetings. This again is a cenacle. Yeah, so the Bloomsbury group you could call a literary cenacle. So a cenacle, it's like a dining room. Somebody, an artist or a painter or an intellectual or a musician may have a cenacle of people, a group of people who are their good friends, people who they can talk with as equals. And this is the idea of a cenacle. Let's see. A cenacle, a supper room, a room to eat, a room to have supper, particularly on the first floor. So not on the ground floor, but on the upper floor of a place. And then in tradition, the cenacle, the upper room, is the place in the Christian Bible where the Last Supper took place. Okay, so a cenacle, a dining room, or a circle, a gathering of specialists, a gathering of writers. Normally this is a private one. It's like a private club, a private group of people, a circle, a clique. So maybe if I met with other English teachers who made videos for YouTube, if we met together once a month and maybe we had a lunch together, that you could call a cenacle. So it's a group of people who have a related interest, something that they are quite good at. So it's a small gathering of specialists. Okay, a literary dinner, something like that would be the idea. So I wonder who was which people were in the writer's cenacle. Maybe a politician could have a cenacle as well. For example, I'm sure Lenin had a cenacle of friends, people who were around him, who believed in what he said and had similar ideas. A group of specialists. So let's see, formality, a cenacle. I think I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality. I think most people are not going to know what it means. You're going to have to explain it. Let's see, it's something you should use in the semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes through French from Cenacle, which it comes itself from Latin cenaculum, Cenaculum, a dining room. From Ceno, I dine, and the culum, I guess, is the place. Okay, so a cenaculum. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cenaculum.